The advanced tune is definitely making us feel like we're more inside of a fiddle. So still in G major, still in 4/4, we have that lead in, that pickup note that goes into that first beat. So we have to make sure that we still have those low twos in there because we're in G major. 4 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3. Now this 4 and is leading us back into that first part. Now what I really like to do is notice where I'm going line to line or space to space. I like to see where my jumps are so that I can be even more confident about it. B, C, that's a low 2, B, C, B, A, G, F. Those two are tight. That's a high 2 right there. B, G, G, A, B, C, D, B, low 2, C, B, A, G, F, D, E, F, G, G, F, G. Then we go back into it, do that whole section again, and then do that second ending. That second ending will then lead us into measure 10. G, G, F, G, B, A, G, A, B, C. And that's a low 2 that we have. D, D, A, F, E, D, F, E, ba, da, 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 da. So here we have that skip again. And we need to remember that low 2 because we are in G major. We have a C natural. G, B, A, G. The way my fingers work for this, because I'm much more experienced with it, I don't leave that, I don't lift that third finger, 3, ba, da, da, because I'm coming right back, ba, dum, ba, da, da, dum, dum. I just have to remember this low 2 right there, low 2 right here, C, B, da, 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 dum, da, 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 dum. And then we take this is the lead in, back to our measure 10. And then we will then do that second ending. So let's pluck through this and then we will use our bow and get more confident with it. We're working on getting this 4 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and being very confident on how long we're holding out these particular notes, and let's do that with pizzicato before we're really worried about our bow. So heading right into it, 1, 2, 3. We want to make sure that second finger is nice and low. 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 3, 3, 1. So that's what we're working with, and that 1 to 3. Go to sleep, go to sleep, go to sleep, little baby. It's a minor third that we're listening to. And that's really what we want to captivate right there. All right, so 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, 4, C, A, B, C, A, B, C, B, C, B, D, C, B, C, B, A, G, F, G, A, B, C, D, skip B, C, B, A, G, F, D, E, F, G, G, F, G, repeat. Long. C, B, C, B, D, C, B, C, scale. Skip here, scale again. Skip, second ending. Lead in the next one. G, G, F, G, B, A, G, A, B, C, D, D, A, F, E, D, F, E, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, A, G, B, A, G. Scale here. Skip. So before I go into that repeat, I'm going to look at measure 14. B, G, B, A, G. So I'm leaving that third finger there. 3, 1, 3, 3, 1, A, 3. If that's what I'm looking for. want that finger independence so that we can work back and forth between the strings and have these do it for us while we keep that down. It'll help our intonation and our efficiency. So let's take from measure 14. We're going to do measure 14, take that first ending, and then we're going to repeat back to measure 10 and finish it out. Measure 14, ready, go, and G, B, G. Oh, let's do it again. I flubbed. Ready, go. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and G, A, B, C, D, D. Scale, skip, first ending, repeat, 10. Leave it down. Second ending. All right, now let's do this with that metronome. Bum, 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 bum. I think we can do this at 70. 1, 2. So we're going to watch out for a half pull, half pull. And so we're starting that off with the lower half pull, half pull. 1, 2, ready, go. Repeat. Second ending. First ending, repeat. Oops. Second ending. So play that with a metronome as much as you can and try to shorten those bows up and towards the center. That's what we want to focus on. All right, happy practice.